Hey everyone, today I'm introducing you to the top 5 free tools that can powerfully speed up your computer. No tech skills required, just a few clicks, and you're on your way to a faster, more efficient PC. Starting with number 5, CC Cleaner. This classic cleanup tool clears out junk files, browser caches, and fixes registry issues to free up space and improve performance. It's simple to use and a great first step to declutter your PC. 4. Malwarebytes. Free malware and unwanted programs can seriously slow down your system. Malwarebytes. Free scans for and removes malware, adware, and other threats that might be dragging your PC down. 3. Autoruns. Want to speed up your startup? Autoruns shows you every program that launches when your PC boots. Turning off unnecessary startup apps can cut down boot time and free up resources. 2. Advanced System Care Free. This all-in-one optimizer cleans junk files, fixes registry errors, and even boosts internet speed. It's a powerful tool that does a lot with just a few clicks. 1. Wise Disk Cleaner. And our last pick is Wise Disk Cleaner, which removes temporary files, system logs, and other clutter that slows your PC. Plus, it includes a disk defragmenter to help your hard drive run more efficiently. All the download links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out and get your PC running faster today. And if you want to keep your PC safe while speeding it up, don't miss our next video. The top 5 free antivirus software that actually work. The link is on screen now and in the description. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more tech tips, and dropping a comment letting me know which tool you're excited to try first.